Good morning students, welcome back to Gopi Krishna online classes. In previous class we discussed about nutrition in plants. In this we discussed about different types of nutrition like autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition we discussed about that photosynthesis process, okay, how photosynthesis is essential for plants to prepare food materials, okay. Next essential conditions necessary for photosynthesis. So certain conditions are there. What are the conditions required for photosynthesis? As we discussed before, what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare their own food materials is called as photosynthesis. What are the raw materials required for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. In presence of these components, plants prepare food materials like glucose or starch. Along with that, it releases oxygen into the atmosphere, so that we can say photosynthesis helpful for the environment to maintain that oxygen and carbon dioxide level constantly, okay. So today I am going to discuss certain conditions. What are the certain conditions? In photosynthesis process, sunlight is very necessary, yes or no? So without sunlight, can it is possible to prepare food material for a plant? No, we can't expect any photosynthesis process without sunlight, okay. So for that a small activity is there. So sunlight is one of the condition which is necessary for photosynthesis, okay. So for that, take one plant, okay. So take one plant, green plant, you should take one plant, okay. From this plant completely, you keep this plant in dark for 2 to 3 days, okay. What you have to do, take one plant, healthy plant. After that, every day we need to regularly give water for this, okay. So this plant keep 2 to 3 days. We need to keep in dark, means there should not be sunlight. Clear to you? After that, take this okay. Here what happening, with the help of one foil we are completely covering this. In this middle we kept one hole like a plus mark, yes or no, okay. So for this leaf, any one of the leaf we need to cover like this, understand. So first what you have to do, you have to take one healthy plant. This plant keep 2 to 3 days in dark completely. There should not be any sunlight for this, but you can give regular water for this, that process is okay, but we need to keep in the absence of sunlight. After 2 to 3 days, what you have to do, any one of the leaf, don't cut from the plant leaf, just I showed you how you have to cover it. That's for a plant only, that leaf, what you have to do, with the help of a foil, okay, with the help of a foil you need to attach like this. In the middle you need to make some symbol here, so that this place should be exposed to the sun after. Okay, so after that we need to do iodine test for this. Iodine test for this. Okay, so for this iodine test, pour iodine on this completely. What will happen? Wherever we pour iodine here, understand? It turns into blue black color. This covered pot is there, covered pot, which is covered now here. This covered part does not turn into blue black, does not turn into blue black. Why this covered part does not turns into blue black? Because there is no photosynthesis happen in that part because of the absence of sunlight. Before 2 to 3 days we kept in dark this plant. After that we have to take out that plant from the dark, keep in light. Okay, few hours. In that process, what we have to do? You have to take any one leaf. For that leaf you need to attach a foil like this. Okay, so that this covered part, even you kept in the sunlight, here we kept a foil, so there is no chance of sunlight to trap by the chlorophyll here, yes or no? So there is no chance, foil is there. So because of this part is not getting any sunlight. The part of the leaf which is not getting sunlight does not turns into blue black color. The remaining part will turns into blue black color. So it indicates that sunlight is very essential component for the photosynthesis. Are you getting this? Sunlight is very essential for photosynthesis. Okay, next come to that. Another essential component of photosynthesis is chlorophyll. Okay, so here chlorophyll. For this you can take that plant like money plant. Money plant is there now. So for that plant leaf you can take. Okay, so in this plant, if you observe this money plant, some of that money plant leaves will be like this. So no, some is in green color. Okay, this part completely is in green color. Green color part, and this part is non-green color. Okay, so this part is in green color and some part is in non-green color, yes or no? So here what will happen? Green color part indicates that presence of chlorophyll. Non-green color plant part indicates that absence of chlorophyll. So what we can say? Here chlorophyll is present some part of the leaf. The other part of the leaf is not having chlorophyll pigment. If you do the test of iodine for this leaf after keeping in sunlight for few hours, what we can observe? This green color part will turns into blue black. Yes or no? So green color part will turns into blue black. The remaining part does not turn. It does not turns into blue black color. So it indicates that chlorophyll also very essential component for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So for the photosynthesis process, chlorophyll is very important and essential for this photosynthesis process. Okay, next one. Carbon dioxide. Okay, For this also you do one thing, take a green color plant, green color healthy plant you should take for this. Okay, so after that you should 2 to 3 days you should keep that plant in the dark only. So that dark, if you keep in the dark means what? There is no chance of photosynthesis. Yes or no? There is no chance of photosynthesis. Okay, so you take that plant only, green color plant, healthy plant you should take. Okay, so this plant leaf you completely keep one beaker. In this, before you have to take lime. Okay, so that what will happen? The carbon dioxide which is present in this leaf, inside we kept with the help of cork this leaf, carbon dioxide completely will get absorbed by this lime, so that there is no carbon dioxide for that. Okay. So this leaf after few hours, keep in light this leaf, after few hours again you take out this leaf from this plant, test this leaf completely. Half of the part is in beaker and remaining part is outside na here. Okay, so when you do the iodine test for this, the part which is outside, this part will turns into blue black color. This remaining part does not turns into blue black, does not turn, it is absent, so there is no chance of photosynthesis to prepare food materials by the plants. Sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide, very essential components which are required for a plant to complete the process of photosynthesis or to prepare the food materials. Okay, so these are the certain conditions necessary for the photosynthesis. So I'll continue in the next class. Thank you.